Hey everyone! Are you a teen or young adult? Looking to start investing but think, you don't have enough money? Well, the good news is, you don't need hundreds or thousands of dollars to start. Today, I'm going to show you 5 easy ways to start investing with just $50. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to put your money to work and start building wealth, even as a beginner. The first way is using micro-investing apps like Acorns or Stash. These apps let you invest small amounts of money, sometimes even your spare change, into diversified portfolios. With just $50, you can get started immediately, and over time, these small investments can grow into something significant. The best part? You don't need to be a finance expert to use them. Second, consider investing in ETFs. ETFs are funds that hold multiple companies in one investment. Instead of putting all your money into one stock, you spread your risk across many companies. This helps reduce risk and makes it a smart option for beginners. With just $50, you can start building a diversified portfolio. Third, use a high-yield savings account or start with a simple reinvestment strategy. If you're not ready for the stock market yet, a high-yield savings account can help your money grow faster than a traditional bank account. And whenever you earn returns, reinvest them. This is called compounding, and over time, it can turn small amounts into serious money. Fourth, try a robo-advisor. Robo-advisors automatically manage your investments based on your goals and risk level. It's a hands-off way to invest, which makes it perfect for beginners. And finally, invest in yourself. Learn about money, build valuable skills, and improve your financial knowledge. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Remember, it's not about how much you start with. It's about starting early and staying consistent.